step-by-step guide of regular to regular boiler replacement on same location. Select your existing boiler fuel type. Select current boiler type regular. Where is your current boiler located? Click question mark if you need help. To select model, select your house build type. Select number of bedrooms in your house. Select number of showers in your house. Do not include electric showers, but bathtub with or without shower count as one. Select flue installation, through roof or through wall. Does your gas pipe needs upgrade? Yes or no?
Current building regulations state that a 22 mm gas supply pipe must be fitted from the gas meter to the gas boiler in order to ensure boiler gas supply on correct working pressure. If the gas line is lengthy or has many bends or supply multiple appliances, it may also require a sections upgrade to 28 mm. In case of any confusion, you can share pictures or ask for online video survey. Call free on 08000 786 085. If your old boiler is fitted with a 15 mm gas pipe, select yes to gas upgrade, otherwise select no.
Enter your house postcode where you want new boiler to be installed. View details of recommended boilers with full installation quotations according your selections. Click VAT arrow to view more detail. Click APR arrow to view monthly installments. Click to view boiler offer detail page. Click select to get offer in email or to go to order review page. Click send quotation in email or continue to order review page. Enter your detail to reserve your order. Domestic and General Heating Limited. Always one step ahead. For any question, please call us on 08000 786 085. We are always here to help you.